In this video, we will solve an adiabatic mixing problem in Psychrometrics. Two air streams with equal mass flow rates mix together. Stream 1 has a dry bulb temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit and a humidity ratio W, one of 0.005 pounds water per pound dry air. Stream 2 has a dry bulb temperature of 90 degrees Fahrenheit and a humidity ratio W2 of 0.018 pounds water per pound dry air. We want the mixed stream humidity ratio. Let's visualize two air streams mixing in a chamber. The arrows show the two incoming streams, and the outlet is the mixed stream. Because the mass flow rates are equal and the process is adiabatic, we can use a simple average for the humidity ratio. For equal mass flow rates, the mixed humidity ratio is the average of W1 and W2. So we use W mix equals W1 plus W2 divided by 2. Now substitute the values. W1 is 0.005 and W2 is 0.018. Add the numerator. 0.005 plus 0.018 is 0.023. Then divide by 2. We get 0.0115 pounds water per pound dry air. Comparing to the choices, the correct answer is choice B, 0.0115. In summary, for adiabatic mixing with equal mass flow rates, the mixed humidity ratio is just the average of the two inlet humidity ratios. That gives us 0.0115 pounds water per pound dry air.